Basically, what we need to do in here is make sure we've got fireproof glass. So what we've done previously is use a 10mm Pyrex glass, which has been fine and has been passed by building control. However, in this instance, for some reason, as building control sometimes does, I'm sure you've had this before, they've changed the spec. And it's now got to be a 15mm glass, and also the makeup on how the glass goes into the frame has also got to be different. So when this frame was originally designed, it was designed for the 10mm glass to go in the middle and then a bead to go either side, job done. However, that is no longer the case. So now what we need to do is make sure we've got there's got to be a 20mm bead which sticks out to the glass this way, and it's got to be 23mm deep that way. Plus then 15mm glass, plus 6mm of tape either side of the glass inside of the bead. So what I've now got to do is basically route this channel out, as you can see here, all the way around this. Then I've got to use a multi-tool and some chisels to basically cut and finish this because my router are only getting so far. Once I've done that then and created basically a rebate on this frame, we can then sit the glass in the rebate. The bead will automatically be fitted at the back here because it's part of the frame itself, and then we just need to put a bead on the front, obviously with all our makeup inside that as well, and then that will satisfy building control, hopefully. So yeah, it's a bit of a pain, it's very noisy, everybody on site hates me today because this is the loudest job possible, but I'm used to it, it's fine. I've got to crack on with this and make some more noise. Right then guys, so I've managed to accomplish the impossible and I've chopped all this out nicely. So we've got all our rebate done everywhere around there. It was a bit painstaking, especially under there as well. I was literally lying down on the floor, but we got there. It looks mint, it's what we need it to be. So right now, next up, I can get this glass templated. So we're gonna basically get some ram board or some Antinox, cut it to shape, fit it in these holes just to make sure that we've got a pattern basically, because what I don't want to do is measure from there to there and there to there and do all that, because if that's slightly out anywhere, it could cause us massive issues because this is very, very expensive glass, and the last thing I want to do is get this wrong. Tony would not be happy. Well, I wouldn't be happy to be fair, but yeah, it's going to cost a lot of money and I don't want to mess it up. So a template is the best way forward. By doing a template, what we can do is actually make sure that it fits, and then we can take that physical template to the glass manufacturer or the place we get our glass from. They can cut it to the exact size and shape that we require, and then it will literally just go dunk straight in there. Easy as that. Yeah, right. Let's get on with it. Right guys, so the glass frame saga continues. I've now got the tape, the correct tape. So the suppliers that gave us the glass, which is awesome, gave us unfortunately the wrong tape. So I've had to order some now for our fire and acoustic seals. Came next day delivery, very quick, and this is what we need. So this is a 6mm tape and it's a fibre reinforced tape. This has got an hour fire rating on it, I believe 2 hour fire rating on it actually, which is more than enough for this hour rated glass that we've got here. So it's self-adhesive on one side, so I'm just sticking one side into the frame here, then I'll stick the other side to the glass once the glass is in, and then we can put our capping on the top. So it's just a case now of just whipping around, getting all these edges filled in, get the glass in, get it held in place temporarily so it doesn't fall out on me while I'm putting the seal on the glass, and then we can put the cap in, which is all there on the floor ready to go. Put that on, and then this is finally done. Another one off the tick list, and then on to the next thing. Right, let's crack on and get it done. that is it. The glass and the frame are done. It is now down to the decorator. He can crack on with this, make it all blend in lovely with everything else, and that's it. Building control will be very happy with the progress that we've done here, the process that we've done. We've done everything to spec, so we are well on course with this now. Right, this is basically upstairs done from our point of view. It's just down to decorating now. So we're going to go downstairs, carry on in the kitchen, get the final bit sorted out. The lads are at the front doing their bits as well. And that's it, just clean down and we're nearly, I can see the finish line, it's so close, we're nearly there. Right, I'm going to carry on, just tidy a few bits up and I'm out of here.